Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is the 6th of July, Tuesday 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I help my traders to bank amazing profit today through live intraday analysis. We had amazing volatility today and most of my traders bank 100 plus pips. Let me share with you how I did and how I helped them. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig straight to the three major currency pair: EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. EURUSD, if you look at the 4-hour, as you can see from last week Friday after the NFP news, we were long and our target was at this resistance level. As you can see here, price nicely hit this resistance level, banked beautiful pips, and afterwards we were short, especially when the price developed. As you can see here, candlestick pattern, this is the candle bearish engulfing candle pattern. Once that developed, we were short, keep taking a pullback short here. As soon as the price hit to the previous level, that's where we bank beautiful pips. Let me share with you the analysis from yesterday and today, intraday analysis. Sorry guys, I haven't done the yesterday analysis review because we had a bank holiday on the US and there wasn't any volatility in the market, so just take a rest. So you can see here, this is the analysis I did at the market open yesterday. As you can see here, pullback long trade, price nicely respected as based on the momentum. We have this breakout, as you can see here, yesterday price nicely developed pullback, and afterwards this is the another analysis, beautiful pullback long trade here, bank beautiful pips as soon as this price hit to this resistance level. And here in 4-hour, that's what we explained to trader, it's time to enjoying pipping. And let's see if we can find any short opportunity on USD because the price hit to the first target. So if you look at overall, we were short on EURUSD. So if you look at here, this is the another analysis. Once the price rejected and develop a bearish engulfing candle, we'll look at in intraday and look at, because now we found that bearish is in control, so we're looking a short trade here. Then we're trying to find the possibilities of pullbacks or breakout, and that's what we exactly found. The possibility price might gonna break, or if the price is going to respect, then more likely we're looking a short trade here. As you can see here, price nicely broke on the support. After the breakout, we have another beautiful pullback short trade here. And that's the London morning session after the news reaction. And at the New York session, you can see here, as explained to trader, momentum is developed bearish. Plus, we have significant information from the candlestick pattern in 4-hour that more likely is going to be short trade here. As you can see, explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. So you can see here, we have another 2 more pullback short trade here as soon as the price hit to the previous low level. And that's what we explained to trader, it's time to enjoy pipping. So we had a beautiful short trade on EURUSD. Let's see on the pound dollar. Okay, so if you look at the pound dollar straight away, 4-hour, we were long from last week Friday after the NFP news, and we were long from yesterday as well. Our target was this level. As you can see here, price nicely hit target. So we were long, we had this previous high broken, we were long and banked beautiful pips, and afterwards, once the price basically respected, and we were short here, as you can see here, we were taking all pullback short on pound dollar. Let me share with you the intraday analysis, how I trade from here to long and short. And if I show you the intraday analysis from the yesterday, let me make it slightly bigger. Okay, as you can see here, this is the analysis from yesterday, and we had beautiful pullback. This is the we pull back long trade here, and afterwards another pullback. This is another previous analysis, beautiful pullback long here, because once you see in 4-hour, we have this long here, and as soon as the price broke on the previous high, and I said to my trader, as long as the price stay above this previous high, we should be taking a pullback long, and the target would be 100 EMA or at this resistance level. So you can see here, beautiful pullback, another pullback based on the momentum, beautiful. And this is the last night Asian session. We have this consolidation breakout for, and beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the resistance level, that's the level which we explained to trader, it's time to enjoy pipping, bank beautiful pips. And afterwards, you can see here price came down, and once the price developed this bearish engulfing candle pattern, that's what we explained to trader. Now it's fine to look for the short trade. More likely we are interested in a pullback, and that's what happened. And this is the interesting level which we explained to my trader, look for short trade here. Even as explained to my trader, this is the breakout which is performed breakout, but I said to you guys, my trader, to look for the pullback. That's the most safest trade. As you can see, as explained in my analysis, we had a beautiful pullback short trade here, and as soon as the price hit to the previous low, that's what we explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit and look for another scaling trade, because we can see very selling pressure. And I did another analysis at the New York session and explained to my trader, price develop another pattern, look for this breakout. We already banked beautiful pips from here, and we have another beautiful breakout short trade here. And look at the bottom, momentum was bearish, and pullbacks in 4 hours. You can see here one pullback, second pullback, third pullback, fourth pullback, based on the momentum as soon as the price hit to the support level. And that's what we explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit. So you can see we had amazing short trades on pound dollar, bank beautiful pips. And if you look at the dollar CAD, we had another amazing trade, dollar CAD. And if you look at here, let me share with you guys dollar CAD trades. And if you look at the dollar CAD trade, this was the yesterday analysis. We had this breakout counter long trade, and this was the trade here when the price developed counter long trade here. As soon as the price hit this level, bank few pips. And this was the analysis at the Asian session. Price developed a small consolidation, you can see here, and price nicely broken as soon as the price hit to the previous low in 4 hours. And that's what we explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit. Let me make it slightly bigger so at least you can see what I'm saying it. Okay, so this is the analysis at the Asian session. Price developed a consolidation as soon as the price, look at the bottom, momentum was bearish, the price broken, beautiful short trade here as soon as the price hit to the 4 hour chart. And that's what price hit to the fib channel, nicely previous low. Explained to trader, it's time to enjoying pipping, beautiful short trade here. And afterwards, this morning I had explained to my trader, the first priority always be towards the momentum, because we were watching in 4 hour, price develop a double bottom, and that's why we explained to trader, look for pullback. And if the price break this level, if the price does not develop any pullback, that's what we'll consider as a false breakout. And we can see here price develop a pullback, double bottom. After this candle, we found the rejection as a good sign for long, and that's why we explained to trader, and through live RG commentary and through analysis, taking a pullback. So we have one pullback, second pullback, another pullback as soon as the price hit to the previous high, you can see at this level. And that's what we explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit, enjoying pipping. And I also did another analysis at the New York session. Guys, momentum is developed bullish, sorry. So we just keep taking a pullback. So you can see here another beautiful pullback based on the momentum. Price nicely broken the previous high in 4 hour, and price nicely develop a pullback at this level, exactly as mentioned on the analysis. And as soon as the price hit to the major resistance level, and that's what we explained to trader, it's time to enjoying pipping and look for counter short trade at this level. That's what we explained. So once we bank some profit, instantly I update my analysis. You can see here at this level, that looks like for another possible counter short trade here, and we have another beautiful short trade, bank beautiful 30-40 pips. And that's what we explained to my trader, every time when the price going to hit the previous high, just taking a short trade. So you can see here one, two, three beautiful short trade here, because that was a very strong resistance level. And you can see even counter short trade, bank beautiful pips on pound, on dollar CAD. So we communicate all this price action in real time. We analyze in 4 hours what's happening here, and then we refine entries in intraday system and bank amazing pips. You can see here today we had amazing trade, amazing volatility, and bank beautiful pips. All right, guys, that's hits. And if I show you most of the traders, we have beautiful pips. If you look at there was the pretty straightforward, as you can see. Even in analysis, I explained to my trader in Kiwi dollar, you can see head and shoulder pattern develop, look for this breakout, and what happened after that. Beautiful. That was a beautiful. That's what I'm saying to you guys today. Most of my traders really enjoyed more than 100 pips today. Today was the pipping day, blessing day, and pipping day. So this is another trade here. You can see here price develop inside candle pattern, respected this level. And if I show you the analysis, this was the analysis I explained to my trader. Look for this breakout at this level, and once the price hit this level, and that's what I explained to my trader, bank some profit. And after what I keep telling guys, keep taking a pullback short trade here. You can see here that this is the analysis. So before we were long, you can see this is the Asian session analysis, breakout, pullback long, bank beautiful pips. As soon as the price hit this level, that's what we explained to trader, just wait for the pattern. Let's see how the price is going to develop. You can see here inward, you can see here this is head and shoulder pattern, and as soon as the price broke on this level, beautiful, you can see here, beautiful short trade here. So we really enjoyed today, guys. As you can see here, it's not about us, it's all about the market. We had the opportunity and we avail all that opportunities through live intraday analysis and the support. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As I said to you guys, the most important thing is for you is to watch those analyses in a real time and develop your trading skill in real time and bank pips in a real time. And once you develop your trading skill and once you banking good pips, and we can also open the door for you to get funded from the prop firms. If you are interested how I help my traders through live intraday analysis through this platform and help them how to get funded, I'm also offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description in the below. Feel free to, if you are interested. And even if you are experienced trader, if you have seen, this is purely price action trading based on the 4-hour price action and intraday system. And I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy banking pips alongside with my other professional trader. So most welcome, guys. Join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.